let's now move on to part 2. So like in this part, I will give you a card with a topic and some questions. You will need to talk about the topics for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, however, you have 1 minute preparation time. Are you
Okay,
ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so I'm going to screen share. So basically in Myanmar, during these days, when you take IELTS test, it will be like how can I say, video conference, no? Video
Yes, yes.
conference like you and me. I will screen share, and then you can see it. Exam now will screen share, then you can see it, no?
Yes.
ဆိုတော့တခြားနိုင်ငံတွေတော့ face to face သွားတာများတယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့လိုမျိုး Singapore တို့ Thailand တို့က students တွေတော့ face to face ဖြေရတယ်ပေါ့နော်မြန်မာမှာကျတော့လောလောဆယ်တချို့ video conference နဲ့ပဲသွားနေတယ်နော်
Okay.
Okay အဲ့ဆိုချက်ကြည့်ကြည့်ရအောင် Describe the most common type of transport in your country. You should say what kind of transport it is, why people choose to use it, whether it is convenience, and explain if you like it. Now you will have 1 minute preparation time. Okay, time's up.
Okay.
If you are ready, you can start now.
Okay. I'm ready. I'll start. Okay, so currently I am living in Thailand, and the city I'm living in is Bangkok. Even it doesn't matter whether I live in a city or in rural areas of Thailand. A lot of people use only one main type of transportation, that is using a motorcycle, and they call it the bikes. And there are plenty of types of bikes and that you can see in Thailand, Bangkok, like from sports motorbikes to some uh, normal transportation types of bikes, and you can see that those types of bikes and literally anywhere, because like even when you go to bus stops, even when you go to MRT stations, and sometimes you can even see them uh, in narrow streets, like like right beneath your condo or apartment. And it can be annoying sometimes because the loud noises that comes from those motorbikes can be uh, uh, like sometimes it can damage your ears because it's very loud, and you cannot focus on whatever you are currently doing. And people in Thailand choose this kind of transportation because I think it's very convenient for them. Like they can, in my own experience, I sometimes whenever I'm late to school, I order Grab, or maybe there's an application called Bolt to go with a motorcycle. And when the rider comes and I hop on the bike, and um, uh, they just they just flew. They don't just ride the bike, they are flying on the bikes because they are like riding it very very fast, with a very very fast speed. Like they can even go into narrow spaces, like for example, there are two buses and there's a very tiny little space between those buses, and they just run into that space without caring for anything.
Okay,
Oh,
time's up, no?
oh, okay.
Uh, okay, Hoppy. Hey, this is the end of part 2.